Guys, welcome back to Coast Motor Company in Palmetto, Florida. Today I have a Corvette. I am gonna let Tyler tell us all about this Corvette. Go ahead, buddy.
I'm Tyler with Coast Motor Company. Today we're showing you a 1972 Corvette convertible. Beautiful car, original bright red paint. It is an original saddle brown interior. The really cool thing about this car is that it's got under 24,000 actual miles documented on the title. Is the numbers matching 350 cubic inch V8 as well as the automatic transmission. Well option, power steering, power brakes. Just a neat car. Runs and drives very, very well and would make a good first classic or an addition to anybody's collection.
Nice, nice. Let's look around this thing, see what we got. Stingray bodies were always my favorite.
One of those kind of cars that looks like they're going fast when they're sitting still.
Exactly. Guys, this is a pretty nice Corvette. I really love this year. Everything 68 to 72 is like my favorites. So this is really fun to make this video today. I heard the hood just popped there, so we're gonna get a peek under the hood. This is really cool. We really appreciate Tyler working with us out here today on opening the hood and telling us what we got going on with this car.
We appreciate you too.
Thanks, man. All right, you know, guys, if you've seen my channel before, you know that I show off cars at Coast Motor Company in Palmetto, Florida, and at car shows, bike events, Jeep events, you name it. If it has an engine, I show it off, and that's because that's what I do. Now, without any further ado, let's take a little peek inside the car real quick.
Open the door for you.
Oh, sweet, thanks. Nice.
Great original interior.
Nice.
Tilt and telescopic steering wheel, which is nice if you're a taller guy.
Really sweet, yeah, because they're tough to get in and out of.
They
for
can
sure.
be.
Yeah. Okay, let's go into the engine bay.
Nice factory looking setup. Again, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. I don't know if I mentioned that before.
Nice.
But it's a beautiful setup. Still got the original ignition shielding in place. Just a good, clean car.
It's kind of like the day it rolled out of the factory.
Pretty close.
Unmolested, guys. Okay, here's what we're gonna say. We're gonna say unmolested on this because that's exactly what we got here, guys. We have an unmolested 72 Corvette, and it is nice. It really is. It's a very nice car. It's got the right rims on it. Go ahead, Tyler. Let's put the hood down on that puppy. Nice car. All right, guys, you know where to find us. We're right here at Coast Motor Company in Palmetto, Florida. You know who we are. If you haven't seen our videos before, we appreciate you and we welcome you to our channel and to our business here in Coast Motor Company in Palmetto, Florida. Here's where you can get our number and name and email. Sorry. Not email. Website. We are human here. We do not edit videos because we would like you to see things as we see them, as organic as possible. Again, guys, thank you so much.